Welcome to the Getaway theme check-in. I'm Jessica, Checkfront Site Builder Specialist. While all Site Builder accounts come with awesome features like full mobile responsiveness and search-friendly pages to increase your visibility, each theme is a little bit different. The Getaway theme was designed with accommodations and lodging in mind, and is optimized for multi-day and nightly bookings. Let's have a look at a finished website before going over what you'll see while you're building your site. In this demo site, we can see a booking search block, a feature block, and an inventory block. Getaway's notable feature is the booking progress bar, which is displayed on inventory and item pages. This bar adjusts to highlight each step of your customer's booking journey and acts as the final checkout button. If the booking progress bar isn't for you, it can be replaced with the traditional cart icon. Returning to your Site Builder editor, let's have a look at what each content block does. Getaway's booking search block can be applied to any page using the home template and allows your website visitors to select a start and end date for their booking. This is the only theme that allows you to apply category filters to the booking search block. These can be applied under navigation and will appear like so on your inventory page. Getaway's gallery block displays 6 images that can be scrolled through using the navigation bar. This theme also has the opportunity to include an image title and description, which will appear on every image. The call to action block is a flexible way to include text on your page. Use the title, description, and hyperlinked button to vary up your text. Getaway's feature block showcases 2 features that can include an image, title, description, and hyperlinked button. Like all other themes, you can showcase or promote up to 6 items using the featured items block, and include up to 3 sections of text using the testimonials block. The Getaway theme does not include a code block, which is handy for adding iframes to display things like YouTube videos, or an Instagram block. You can, however, still display video on your item pages through the Media tab in your Checkfront Booking Manager, and link your Instagram to your footer through Checkfront's connected services. In the Getaway theme, certain content blocks are restricted to certain areas of your web page in order to make designing your website easy. Another theme, like Nimble or Expedition, is a good fit if you're looking for more flexibility. Each site builder also comes equipped with a blog, contact us page, and ability to integrate your social media so that customers can find out more about your business. This has been an introduction to the Getaway theme. For more information on Site Builder, check out our knowledge base at support.checkfront.com or email our team and we'd be happy to help.